bro, everything cool, sister, everything cool. And this life inside, sometimes if you suck fruit juice, then you go sit down, then you see your heart to go calm down, then God will arrange your what, your step give you. That's what I want to talk you. Charlie, I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, this be celebrity what? Yawa, celebrity Yawa. Make I talk you something. If you not subscribe to the channel, I talk you now where you despise me. If you subscribe to the channel, if you want too much GH, too much GH. The reason why they talk you say make you subscribe and not be say Charlie. Everything be away they go on for social media top. Everything be a celebrity go can't do. Anything be away they social media top no. If you mean now where I can't talk, that's why they talk you say what. If you subscribe to the what to the channel, and if you get parties, you get friends, you get every bro way there body way Charlie. They go internet, you get smartphone. Make you follow the person say Charlie, make you do what? Make you subscribe to Too Much Genius, because anything be away they trend, everything be away they go on for social media top, everything be maybe you see, you hear, you read, you don't understand. No? It be me Flamboyant Lifestyle where I can't talk there, everything will go on. This thing they come out for Kwame Sefa what inside. Make I talk you what they happen. Peace FM Kwame Sefa speaks for the first time as he reacts to resign. You know so Kwame Sefa they do him Kokoko morning show for Peace FM, one of the most known radio station where Kangana here they actually forget the day where you host the program chair, then time now we be kiddies or we were they listen to him say small now it 10 chairman. Right now some allegation become either what Sammy Jemfi. If you don't know Sammy Jemfi, some guy be where he did and this things I don't want to mention himself, that guy. Where Kwame Sefa they am get small this one before the what for the show top than 10s no. Sammy Jemfi come talk say Kwame Sefa crown NDC no it be bigger platform past the what the Peace FM station where them did there no. Well Kwame Sefa to no say they am go crush. Then they no wait Charlie Sammy Jemfi come they go Coco top say Charlie then what either Kwame Sefa they can vibe. Well Kwame Sefa say Charlie you know be you when I they make the allegation then talk say Charlie Peace FM here crown NDC be what be bigger platform password Peace FM here. So what did they do for here? You Kwame Sefa they give them back to back. Charlie you give them back to back talking say Charlie you can I don't know what interview you for here. The way you bore me crowd way day you dey my front with me then you the vibe then things crown. How you go if you can't talk that thing say hey Peace FM you know how Peace FM existed. You know how despite them thought and things where they do anything there be political something. So if you don't do the comparison, if they won't do comparison and if you do comparison NDC the MPP, CPP then the political parties know where them deal. If you don't go do the radio station the political party in Italy, you know the fact some day finally saying the blood of us since 1990 something when I'm born where chairman Charlie Bo he talk me man the things no way some if they won't come back down. He come back down so chairman Charlie and you say I call you for what? For roadside Charlie you make you say I call you for roadside say Charlie Kwame Sefa say no. The place where you go no where you can't talk no you go talk that thing Charlie for go that place then go justify yourself. No you can't do me chairman for here Charlie. Well Sammy Jemfi make bent to us Sammy Jemfi make so bent this where find the talk say the way Sammy Jemfi what disrespect the channel then things no the Peace FM show no then things no where Kwame Sefa for resign then things where Kwame Sefa say no he react then talk what Sammy Jemfi for what for do say he for go the place where you go talk that shit then things and they say Kwame Sefa way they hold the program from then the platform where he did top NDC be what it be bigger past the what that place where I say this life inside there. If you know the respect I know the respect too. See Kwame Sefa the level where he reach. If you know the respect the level class see the advice the motivation you do they give boys the motivation they give street well you use of political party where go small thing chop their things and see what you go talk for there. Kwame Sefa no do that thing. I see you the way I go do you now. You know, I go fight you. I go take my blood and my pigeon. I go take what to you make sound come up for your news scam. That be the thing where it happen for social media talk. And another thing, make I talk. Another thing to the go on. This thing they bump me past. Hey, I talk you now. You now go say, hey, this thing. Maybe you hear this thing. Then things where they go on. I saw another guy hiding in my girlfriend's bathroom when I paid her a surprise visit. A man they cry. Hey. The man they cry giddy. He say he know either in what either in girlfriend day. Wait Charlie you make him man say Charlie today I for surprise my girlfriend. You know call the girl he dey Abada. Where the girl need dey Abada where he the boy he dey Lagos. Where he drive They will see the distance. He drive for there, go about that. Say they go surprising girlfriend. Say Charlie, he say he make fresh. He say Charlie, he run and he buy watch. He say run and they wear flamboyant and what? He they wear flamboyant and shirt and things. Run and he say too much. He they spy videos trending news for 2 months. So run and he be guy. So they carry in there. You go in there now. He say he enter in room inside. We go see say man in boxer. Bola boxer, bola pass my own. Hey, the boxer bola rough. Where is he say hey? This life, no be easy. You my girlfriend will challenge me, then you dey way with the vibe, then things they go on, say challenge, we go plan, say we go marry now. See what you go do, see the yawa thing pan where you go do them things. The man way to the vibe plus you see the way in boxer bullet and thing, where man they cry giddy. It happened for Twitter. Hey, the way the man they cry giddy. He cry when girlfriend they pump, a girlfriend to know the man. Either the girl, either the boyfriend they do them a thing for what? The room is like. Make I talk you something. If you not marry someone, I make you not take your mind and your heart go. These girls when they the street up, then they walk plus than my mind. Make I talk you. Then they walk plus than my mind. You got to say, hey, I mean you not marry me, then things. If you not marry her, make I talk you something. You then get the vibe. You see girl for outside. Where you then the girl need the vibe. Where the girl they talk say get boyfriend. Where the girl they take a number give you a child. That means that relationship go make beans. You go tell beans where you no go fit chop. If you get boy, a question on your boy. Why they take your number they give boys? You don't know what they want of girls. Them niggas they don't know what they like. If you get boy, you get boy. You not get boy and then you talk say you not get boy. Then we go vibe and thing. When we dey relationship too, I make you not make another person they chop. The thing if you know when we they chop the thing say Charlie, you go tear the things the thing say Charlie, you go be future use and thing, then we go marry the invest and thing now. You people they take share the things. This life you no balance. So you then surely the work pan the way no marry man. Make you not take your heart go. Your heart and take give God. If God pay for take them there, your brain and your first things way there, but then take give the woman, then you the am go day what. But you marry am there Charlie, you be God for better for what? For life. They plus the woman, he insult you, he diss you, he do everything there. He did the woman for what? For day. I go by the name flamboyant lifestyle, aka what? Mankind. Charlie, that be me now my name. And this be celebrity what? Yawa. I dey flow you. If you not subscribe to the channel, I dey talk you way they spy me. You now. If you subscribe to the channel, you want too much GH. You see the way I do my eye, too much GH. Charlie, it be flex. If you subscribe to the channel so that everything be away they go on for social media top, me Flambo, I will come talk them very well. They go understand the street boys where them day with challenge. They don't get any news beyond. If you want subscribe, give them a challenge. This video go on for what? Too much GH. No brother do some. Make a subscribe, give you so that you go spy the everything what will go on give you. Prayer always what work. Pow, 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 pow.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Me dey the Isaac Odwampo. We betun afem the great tampo. Mbrin. Wonu me nka mo ni hwe too much GH. Too much GH. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.